Frank and Sneha for getting us fast news there. Now, moving on. A 29-year-old casual labourer, Abdul Hakim, who exposed the ugly face of Khap Panchayats going against lovers on Amir Khan's TV show, Satyamev Jayate, earlier this year, has been killed. Abdul Hakim was shot in cold blood right before the residence of his native village in Adoli in Uttar Pradesh's Bulandshahr district on Thursday. Hakim and his wife Mehvish had participated in the honor-killing episode of Satyamev Jayate to speak out against the problem. Mehvish has now alleged that her family members are behind the death of her husband. And speaking for the UPA government today, Minister of State for Home RPN Singh has said the government is very seriously trying to amend the constitution to deal with the incidents of honor killings and cups in the country.
We are joined by Minister of State for Home Affairs, Mr. RPN Singh. Mr. Singh, how do you react to the incident that happened in Uttar Pradesh, the honor killing incident?
It's extremely unfortunate that these killings continue to happen in our country. We have asked for a report from the state government. And as you know, that this act, Honor Killing Act, has not been amended since 1860. We have referred it to the EGOM, which is headed by the Finance Minister. Once the report comes, we will take steps to amend the act.
And that brings us to the debate tonight. On the NewsX debate, we're asking tonight, can India ever be rid of the curse of the cups? Joining us tonight, Dr. Sambit Patra, spokesperson of the Delhi BJP, Kamal Farooqi, National Secretary of the Samajwadi Party, Satyapal Chaudhary, National Secretary of the Cups, and Nirja Bhatnagar, Regional Manager, Action Aid, Maharashtra. Thank you very much, Nirja and gentlemen, for joining me. Dr. Farooqi, I want to begin with you. We just heard RPN Singh, MOS Home, say that the government has asked the Uttar Pradesh government for a report on this and also for recommendations on the EGOM. What is that report that you're sending on the shameful killing, the shameful honor killing? What is the report you're sending to the central government?
No, I can't tell you anything because it will be the ministry who will be sending the report. But definitely.
But are you willing to condemn it? Are you willing to condemn it and also own up that you all did not provide enough protection?
Yes, no, absolutely, it is a condemnable, and the kind of punishment which so-called Khap has given, it is illegal, unconstitutional, and all of them who have been a part of it should be prosecuted, and all those people without any distinction of caste, creed and belief, they must be punished by the court of law. We are very clear on this.
They must be punished, they must be prosecuted. But for that also, you will need a stronger honor killing act. We're ruled in this country still by an act that goes back to 1860. Mr. Farooqi, is your government, is your party willing to stand by the UPA in amending this immediately in this parliament session?
Definitely we will think about it and we'll have a detailed discussion, and
What's there to think about it, Mr. Farooqi? It's a yes or no answer.
And we will be cooperative in bringing it out. No, you please appreciate, I cannot give you the yes or no answer. I am giving you the general feeling of the people, and we from the government side itself will be discussing with the central government to find out the various ways and means to check all these things, nonsenses by the people, in fact.
Set all the nonsense in order, Dr. Patra. Is the BJP willing to rise above divisive politics on the floor of the House, to rise above political differences and say this is a social evil that must be eradicated?
See, this whole debate has nothing to do with politics. Let me be very frank. This is a politics, as you rightly said, it is a politics of social evil, clubbing it. It is highly deplorable that in a civilized society as India, we have no place for intimidation and murder for reasons as this. And yes, if such a debate takes place, BJP would always come forward to see to it that such kind of acts are not repeated in the future. There is no doubt.
But are you going to legislate to ensure that this does not happen?
See, as far as the legislative portion is concerned, as I told, there is no doubt that we would stand with the just. But as far as this issue is concerned, it's for the party to take a call.
Does the BJP today feel, does the NDA today feel that the cups are a social evil, they have to be dealt with.
See, party has not taken a call on this as yet, and as a spokesperson of its unit, I would not be able to say what the exact notion of the party is. But as I open my statement with the fact that it is highly deplorable and a civilized society has no place for honor killing or for any killing for that matter of purpose.
Okay. Satyapal Chaudhary, National Secretary of the Cups. Chaudhary ji, आपने सुना फारूकी साहब और डॉक्टर पात्रा ने क्या कहा. अब सरकार ये चाहती कि आरपीएच सिंह साहब से भी आप उनका स्टेटमेंट आपने सुना. सरकार ये कह रही है कि हम एक अमेंडमेंट लाएंगे विच विल डिसॉल्व कप्स. व्हाट इज द कप्स डिफेंस? डिफेंस क्या है?
पहली बात, जो बुलंदशहर की घटना है उसका कप से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. वो उसके चाचा ताऊ परिवार का मामला. उन्होंने चेतावनी दी उस लड़के को लड़की को कि आपने गलत किया.
चेतावनी क्यों दी चौधरी साहब? हर एक केस में
भाई बहन थोड़ी सी शादी कर लेंगे.
हर एक केस में चौधरी साहब
आप कानून ले आओ. आरपीएन सिंह को भी पता चल जाएगा. ले आओ कानून. कैसे अगली बार लोकसभा में पहुंचते पता चल जाएगा आरपीएन सिंह को भी. ये वहां पे बैठे हैं लोकसभा में.
यही डर है कप का जो फोर्स करती है इन परिवारों को.
रियल ग्राउंड क्या है? ग्राउंड रियलिटी पता नहीं है लोगों को. समाज किस परिस्थितियों में रहता है. यहाँ से 10 किलोमीटर दूर जाओगे आपको पता चला किस तरह की कस्टम्स है. हम गर्लफ्रेंड और बॉयफ्रेंड वाले लोग नहीं है. अभी हम सनी लियोन को इस देश में मानते नहीं देंगे. हम जो एकता कपूर यहाँ मचाती भसड़ मचाती फिर उसको इस देश में नहीं होने देंगे. लिविंग का कानून आप लागू करो ना.
तो क्या किसी का मर्डर होना आपके सही है?
लेकिन उसने जो गलत किया उसके लिए उसको चेताया गया. उसके बावजूद वो टेलीविजन पर आमिर खान के शो में वो धौंस देती फिर रही है कि मैंने सही किया. गलत बात को जायज ठहराती फिर रही थी. उसके बाद वो बुलंदशहर में जाके उसी घर में वहाँ उस पूरे समाज को चिढ़ाने का ठेंगा दिखाने का काम कर रही थी. जो घटना हुई उसके बाद में फिर वहीं पे है.
तो आपका ये कहना है चौधरी साहब कि उन्हें बुलंदशहर वापस नहीं जाना चाहिए था?
जब उसे दिखाई दे रहा गद्दार सामने क्यों गिर रही है उसमें?
All right. Neerja Bhatnagar, is that the problem? Is that the problem that today we have to with the diktats of the cups, and there is no two ways about it, unfortunately. And there is no other way to deal with that but to bring in law.
Yeah, I agree that you need to. First, I would like to begin with that we condemn this act which has happened. And let me tell you, CUP is nothing. It's an extension. It's an extension of it.
खप का तो कभी रोल होता ही नहीं है ना.
कल्चर है, कल्चर है.
आप
खाप ने ये कल्चर लगाया है.
दबाव डालते हैं. खप पंचायत फैमिलीज पे दबाव डालते हैं. उसी दबाव के अंदर आके वो ये कदम उठाते हैं.
RWA ग्रामीण भारत का RWA
अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है. आपको देश के यू हैव टू लिव विद इन विद अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ. हाउ कैन यू स्टॉप समबडी फ्रॉम मैरिंग?
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमारी कस्टम से बना समाज प्रश्न होता है.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स कंडेम दिस. वी विल कंडेम दिस इन वन वॉइस एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट बीजेपी स्पोक्सपर्सन हियर टू स्टैंड बाय दिस, बिकॉज इफ द 50% of the population you are going to deal with this in gender, how are you going to call it a progressive society? And let me tell you, if anybody does this, you call them Deshdrohi, you call them sedition. What do you call this act? This is highly extrajudicial. This should be banned. And let me tell you, the law commission has hear me out.
पंचायतों को बदनाम करने की साजिश है. आपकी साजिश को और साजिश को हम कभी कामयाब नहीं.
I do not understand why.
भी बंद करो ना. 4 आदमी समाज में बैठे नहीं. उन्हें भी बंद करो.
How can you dictate a girl?
अपने समाज को कैसे बेहतर तरीके से?
How can you dictate?
चौधरी साहब, क्या इस देश
आप भी उसके सिस्टम से चलेंगे?
चौधरी साहब, क्या इस देश के लॉ, क्या इस देश के नियम कानून खप पे लागू होते हैं कि नहीं?
समाज नहीं बनने देंगे.
क्या एक सेकंड चौधरी साहब, दिस इज अ नेशनल डिबेट.
हाँ, तो इसीलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ.
और ये
संस्कृति का सत्यानाश हो रहा है.
आप लैंग्वेज थोड़ा माइंड कीजिएगा. क्या आप ये मानते हैं कि इस देश के जो लॉज है, नियम कानून है, इस देश का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, क्या ये खप पे लागू होते हैं या नहीं?
हम ये कह रहे हैं
हाँ या नहीं लागू होते हैं?
क्या है
हाँ या नहीं?
समाज को नष्ट करने की बात कर रहे हैं. समाज को नष्ट.
क्या ये नियम कानून लागू होते हैं? हाँ या नहीं?
सोर्स क्या है?
कमाल फारूकी
अलग है, संसद की व्यवस्था अलग है.
Citizen of this country, you need to be constitutional law.
Kamal Farooqi, in Uttar Pradesh and across the country, can politicians like you, Kamal Farooqi, sit back and let leaders of the CUP say that constitutional law is another place, so societal law is different?
Not at all. Not at all. Let me tell to Chaudhary Sahab. Chaudhary Sahab, as far as the concept of panchayat and khap is concerned, it should be used for the betterment of the society and not for the killing. You are bound by the Constitution of India and the criminal procedure. You cannot cross. You are not above that law. All these things. You cannot kill. You cannot give an order to kill the people.
किसी को सुपारी दी, किसी को भेजा भाड़े के हत्यारे को कि आप जाके मारिए हो, ये उसके ताऊ ने बयान दिया, उसके ताऊ ने कहा।
आप उसको जस्टिफाई तो कर रहे हो ना?
नहीं, जो गलत बात है हम सोशल उसमें सामाजिक बहिष्कार की बात करते हैं।
गलत और सही आप नहीं डिसाइड कर सकते हो, हमारी समाज करेगा।
गलत और सही लॉ डिसाइड करती है। डॉक्टर संबित पात्रा,
सनी लियोन नहीं बनने देंगे हम उन्हें।
देश में कानून है,
हम सनी लियोन नहीं बनने देंगे, कानून हो या संविधान हो।
एक सेकंड, डॉक्टर संबित पात्रा, is it time to end this chaos? Is it time for political parties to come together and end this chaos?
I'm disturbed with the kind of debate that we are having right now. Two things I want to categorically put over here, and I think every civilized Indian would agree with what I'm going to say. First, murder and intimidation can never be an answer to just or unjust or any reason. This is not an uncivilized world. This is a civilized world. We cannot kill anyone and say that, look, we were right. First. And second, as far as khap is concerned, see, khap is an integral part of Indian society. I'm not suggesting that khap is doing what is best supposed to be. No. But go back to Panini, go back to Buddhist pictures, go back to the Rig Veda. You would find the mention of the word khap. Yes. What does khap? It's not exactly khap shabha. What does the word mean? It means republic. Yes. And republic was always an integral part of the country. But my statement over here is, let the republic, the self-governance at the village level become more aware. Yes. More aware by education, by imparting right kind of awareness amongst them. Alone then it would become a self-sustainable means of governance.
Yes, perhaps it is time to deal once and for all, and to deal with it in the right way through legislation. And that is where political parties and our elected leaders come in, Kamal Farooqui and Dr. Sanbit Patra. Tonight the nation can say it has had enough. It has had enough with Abdul Hakim's death. Let there not be another death.
You're definite.
But UP has to improve its law and order situation as well.
Abdul Hakim, that is an eye-opener for all of us. Yeah.
Kamal Sahab, you are there, so you are a representative of the government in UP. And it's my sincere request, not as a political being, but as a friend and as an Indian, that the UP government should also improve its law and order situation, which has taken a turn for wrong direction of late. Please.
And also, please, when you are putting this report, you stand by in the favor of gender.
Yes.
Come out in favor of gender, because that is what the Constitution gives us, equal rights and equal existence.
Yes. Whether you like it or not, Kamal Farooqui, all eyes now across the nation are focused on your government in Uttar Pradesh. Perhaps you all will take the lead in forcing the UPA government, forcing politicians across party lines to come together and say and stand united and say, we are a civilized society and we will not stand for such acts of crime. Kamal Farooqui.
Definitely we will work for it, and we will cooperate. We will definitely need the cooperation of everybody to not to defame this kind of institution, which has been the panchayats and khap is not a bad word, but the kind of the way they have gone into beyond the constitutional, that is unfortunate, and that must be condemned, and that they have to be put on record under some kind of control. Otherwise, it will be a bad precedent for the civilized society.
The time
and civilized society cannot exist in these circumstances. We have to stop it, and everybody has to come together.
Yes, the time has come. The time has come now for our politicians and our leaders to act, and society to act, to stand together as one and say, this is not the India that our freedom fighters fought so hard for. Thank you very much, Dr. Sanbit Patra, Kamal Farooqui, Satyapal Chaudhary, and Neerja Bhatnagar. Thank you very much for joining me on the NewsX debate tonight. We've got breaking news coming in now.